In a world where design meets functionality, modern architecture stands as a testament to human innovation and creativity. This audacious blend of art and practicality has transformed our urban landscapes, creating structures that are as breathtakingly beautiful as they are functional. Modern architecture, at its heart, is about breaking boundaries. It's about reimagining what a building can be and pushing the limits of our technological prowess. Towering skyscrapers with their glittering glass facades redefine the skylines of cities around the globe. Meanwhile, innovative residential structures challenge conventional notions of home, offering unique solutions to the demands of modern living. But it's more than just aesthetics. These structures are engineered to enhance our daily lives, optimized for energy efficiency, and designed to foster a sense of community. Each one, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the ceaseless quest for progress. Today we delve into the architectural marvels that have defined our modern world. From towering skyscrapers to innovative residential structures, these are the top 25 modern buildings. Kicking off our countdown at number 25, we find ourselves marveling at the audacious design of the Lotus Building in Wujin, China. Inspired by the elegance and purity of a lotus flower, this building pushes the boundaries of architectural design with its dynamic and organic form. Moving on to number 24, we land in Spain, where the Metropole Parasol stands as a futuristic interpretation of the traditional Spanish plaza. Its waffle-like crown of interweaving wooden panels offers a unique blend of history and innovation. Next, at number 23, we journey to the United States. Here, the Walt Disney Concert Hall in Los Angeles is a testament to the power of imagination. Its sweeping metallic curves create an acoustic masterpiece, a true symphony of architecture. At number 22, we travel to Denmark to admire the Blue Planet Aquarium. Its swirling silver form, reminiscent of a whirlpool, draws visitors into a world of aquatic wonders. This building showcases the ability of architecture to create immersive experiences. Staying in Denmark for number 21, we find the 8 House in Copenhagen. This residential building redefines urban living with its figure-8 layout, promoting community interaction while challenging conventional apartment design. Finally, at number 20, we head over to Singapore to the Gardens by the Bay. This nature park is home to the Super Tree Grove, a collection of vertical gardens that stand as a symbol of sustainable urban development. It's a breathtaking fusion of architecture and nature. As we move further into our list, the architectural wonders only get more fascinating. Moving forward, we reach the next set of architectural marvels, starting with number 19. Our journey of architectural exploration takes us to the heart of London, where we discover the Shard. This 87-story skyscraper, designed by Renzo Piano, is not only the tallest building in the United Kingdom, but also a testament to the power of glass and steel. Next on our list, at number 18, we find ourselves in Denmark, standing before the illustrious Copenhagen Opera House. Its modern design, characterized by a colossal overhanging roof, is the brainchild of architect Henning Larsen. This building is not only an aesthetic marvel, but also a cultural beacon, attracting art lovers from around the world. Number 17 leads us to the United States, where the Walt Disney Concert Hall in Los Angeles, California stands proud. Frank Gehry's unique design, with its flowing stainless steel exterior, mimics the movement of music, creating a visual symphony that is as captivating as the performances held within. Crossing the Pacific, we arrive at number 16, the CCTV headquarters in Beijing, China. This building, with its distinctive looped shape, challenges traditional concepts of skyscraper design. Rem Koolhaas and Ole Sheeran of Ome designed this architectural marvel that defies gravity and astonishes onlookers. Lastly, at number 15, we find ourselves back in Europe, in the heart of Spain. Here, the Guggenheim Museum Bilbao, designed by Frank Gehry, takes center stage. With its complex swirling forms and reflective titanium panels, it has become a symbol of the city and a masterpiece of modern architecture. Indeed, these structures are not just buildings, they are ambitious visions brought to life, standing as testaments to the limitless potential of human creativity and engineering prowess. The next set of buildings are not just architectural marvels, but also symbols of human ingenuity. As we climb higher on our list, the architectural wonders only get more impressive. Here's number 14. In the heart of Singapore, we find the Interlace, an apartment complex that breaks away from typical vertical construction. These 31 blocks are stacked in an innovative hexagonal arrangement, creating a unique aesthetic that challenges traditional architectural norms. This design, conceived by Ome and Ole Sheeran, promotes communal living and harmonizes with the surrounding green spaces, reflecting a modern approach to urban living. Moving on to number 13, we have the Harbin Opera House in China. Designed by mad architects, this structure embodies the spirit of the surrounding landscape. With its smooth, flowing lines and organic form, it mimics the natural contours of the region's snow-covered mountains and rivers. This building is not merely a venue for performances, but a piece of art in itself. At number 12, we come to the United States and the High Line in New York City. This isn't your typical building, but a 45-mile-long linear park built on a former elevated railway line. The reimagining of this industrial structure into a thriving urban green space is an excellent example of adaptive reuse, showcasing the potential of repurposing existing structures in innovative ways. On to number 11, the Guggenheim Museum. Bilbao in Spain stands as one of Frank Gehry's masterpieces. Its curvaceous titanium-clad exterior is a breathtaking sight, reflecting the surrounding city and river. The building's design is as much a work of art as the pieces it houses, embodying the dynamic and transformative power of architecture. Finally, at number 10, we find the iconic Shard in London, the tallest building in Western Europe. Designed by Renzo Piano, this 87-story skyscraper is a vertical city, comprising offices, apartments, restaurants, and a hotel. The Shard's sculpted glass facade reflects the ever-changing London skies, symbolizing the city's growth and evolution. We're now at the halfway mark, but the best is yet to come. Entering the top 10, the stakes get higher and the architecture gets even more breathtaking. Here's number 9. Just at the edge of the shimmering coastline of Miami, Florida, stands the Perez Art Museum. A marvel of modern design, this building is more than just a house for art. It's an artwork itself, a testament to the power of innovative architecture. Its hanging gardens and expansive terraces provide a unique blend of the natural and man-made, a nod to the tropical landscape that surrounds it. Moving on to number 8, we find ourselves in the heart of Tokyo, Japan, where the Mode Gakuen Cocoon Tower spins a web of architectural brilliance. This innovative high-rise is a testament to the power of design, featuring a cocoon-like structure that not only stands out but also serves a functional purpose, housing 3 different educational institutions within its walls. At number 7, we journey to the bustling city of Beijing, China, to marvel at the CCTV headquarters. This gravity-defying building challenges traditional concepts of skyscraper design with its looped form, creating a continuous tube of horizontal and vertical sections. It's a standout symbol of the city's rapid growth and modernization. For number 6, we whisk away to the serene landscapes of Fjordenhus, Denmark. Here, nestled between the calming waters of the Fjordenhus stands as a testament to the harmonious blend of architecture and nature. Its 4 interconnected cylinders rise from the water, creating an immersive aquatic experience for its visitors. Finally, at number 5, we travel to Bilbao, Spain, where the Guggenheim Museum, a titan of titanium, glass, and limestone, stands as a beacon of contemporary architecture. Its unique, fluid form, inspired by the scales of a fish, challenges the static nature of traditional buildings, creating a dynamic, ever-changing spectacle. As we approach the top of our list, the architectural wonders become even more awe-inspiring. Finally, we've reached the pinnacle of architectural innovation. Here are the top 4 modern buildings. In 4th place, we find a design that challenges the traditional notions of space and form. Nestled in a bustling metropolis, this building captivates onlookers with its daring and dynamic design. Moving on to our 3rd spot, here's a building that beautifully marries functionality with aesthetics. Located in a city renowned for its architectural splendor, this edifice stands tall as a beacon of modern design. Our runner-up is a true masterpiece, a building that redefines the skyline of its home city. Its unique elements and innovative design techniques have set a new standard in the field of architecture. And at the zenith, the number 1 spot is a structure that transcends the realm of architecture to become a symbol of human achievement. Its design is not just about aesthetics, it's about crafting a space that enhances the quality of life for its inhabitants. These architectural marvels not only stand as testaments to human creativity and innovation, but they also shape our cities and our lives. Remember, architecture is not just about buildings, it's about creating spaces where life happens.